boxes, 16 packs. Yeah, contenders is tough, man. That's why I like to ship them sealed. You guys should hold on. If you get any contenders, try to just hold on to them for a while. Let them dry up. Because they will dry up. Especially once Zion starts playing. People are going to be ripping them like crazy looking for Zions. There's still a 101 out there too. Yeah, a regular 101. Go 8 boxes. Good luck, guys. 16 packs. All cards ship. Lots of rookies and short prints. Sanders. Got a redemption off the top. Rock Ya-Sin, blue shimmer for the Colts. Eyeballs and a McSorley to 75. Eyeballs and a Jimmy G shimmer. 6 of 10. Yo, yo. Tack silver. Bunch of rookies. Julian Love auto. The Giants eyeballs. We got a Winfrey 75 scope for the Broncos. Josh. Travion Williams to 15. Richard G. And a Jackson silver. Tony Pollard. We got a Farrell to 25. Shimmer red. Richard G. Julian Love 25 camo for eyeballs, and a Carson 2 of 10. David Jordan Reed silver. Got a Higdon for Houston. Gonchar. Dylan Mitchell for Josh, and an AJ Brown to 15. Nice hit there. Karam, and then a Winfro. Nice silver rookie. Richard G. Haskins. 25, Deontay Johnson. Nice. Big hit there. These nuts. We got Thorson for the Eagles. Eyeballs. 49, and a Steve Young to 15. Yo-Yo. Urlacher silver. A few bays. Preston Williams for Josh. Very nice. We got a Blair for David. And a Lonnie Johnson. 15. Ooh, Marquise Brown. Silver. Very nice for eyeballs. Bunch of rookies. CJ Anderson to 25. George Williams 75 for LV, and a Largent 6 of 10. Man, that's cool. I love these old school vet shimmers too. Singletary. Got a Baker here for eyeballs. We got Rippin 149. Josh. And Derek Barnett, 10 of 10. Eyeballs, and another nice rookie silver, Deontay Johnson. Good stuff here, man. Bunch of rookies. Minshew, boom! 25 Stidham. LV. Stidham shimmer. We got a Gaskins for Josh. And a Bird to 10 for the Titans, and a Wagner silver. Darwin, Zach Allen auto for a sheet. Got Scarlett, Billy the Kid, Cameron Brate, 1 of 10 for Michael B, and a Higdon rookie silver. Slayton. Boom! 13 of 25. Daniel Jones. Red shimmer. Eyeballs with the heat. Woo. Ed Oliver to 49. Richard G. Nice hit. And a Dick Butkus shimmer to 15. Those are cool, man. A shit. Little Fitzpatrick silver. Fitz Magic silver. Tomorrow, Steven. Snell Greer. Dawson Knox. Richard G. Harmon at 25. Haters will say it's fake. We got Mookie Cooker to 15. Lawrence Silver. Justice Hill. DK. There's a Murray. And Butler, 7 of 10. Blue Shimmer. A shit. Gaskin, 149. Red Wave. Josh. And a Jim Kelly Red Shimmer for Richard G. That one's the 15. James White. Silver action. Pollard, Ridley, Reichwell for Josh. Quadri Allison, Jeffrey D. And J.J. Watt, Red Shimmer. Gonchar to 15. And a Madison Silver. Nice, man. It's great getting a silver in every box here. We got Thompson, 25. I love it. We got Savage, green scope for the Packers, eyeballs, and a Cam Jordan blue, 2 of 10 for David, and a Fournette silver. Tons of rookies, another Reichwell going out to Josh, and a Scarlet, Billy the Kid, and a Lamar red, very nice. Eyeballs, 12 of 15, and a N'Keal Harry silver for LV. Man, great rookie silvers dropping there. Big Daniel Jones. Lots of rookies, lots of good short prints there, man. Those are fun. I know you snagged my boys in the first off the line. There we go, guys. We got another one of those up. Chasing the heat there. Hadn't seen a 101 drop yet.